How to send location on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. At the bottom, click on Messages and open Messages. After you have opened Messages, click on the chat where you want to send location. Now at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the plus sign. After you have clicked on the plus sign, in here click on Location. After you have clicked on Location, press on Allow. After you've pressed on Allow, simply turn on your location at the top. After your location is turned on, it will lead you to this page directly. In here, it will locate your location. Now, at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on SMS. After that, your location will be shared. And this is how to send location on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.